Top best lipsticks. Lipsticks with a pleasant velvety finish are today leaders in the segment of decorative cosmetics. Therefore, we decided to start our rating with these products. Maybelline New York. Their Vivid Matte line has become a real breakthrough in the modern beauty industry. And all because for a small price you can get an easy-to-apply product with a beautiful dense coating and delicate creamy texture. In addition, the color scheme of these lipsticks is very versatile. You can find not only delicate nude or pink shades, but even more informal colors, with which you can even make out lips for a photo shoot. As for the flaws, Vivid Matte also has them. This is unimportant stamina, as well as the property of a tool to smear teeth. This is especially true for lipsticks, designed in bright colors. Clinique Long Last Soft Matte can be called the best matte lipsticks. Unlike other products with the same finish, they do not dry lips at all. On the contrary, they have a caring effect. The secret lies in the composition, in which there are no aggressive components. For the manufacture of this line, the brand used only natural substances, various oils and vitamins. Golden Rose. In this case, the price position of lipstick does not affect its quality. Since the Velvet Matte has only one drawback. It is imprinted on the dishes. But according to other indicators, this product can give odds even to luxury facilities. Lime Crime. The only flaw in lipstick Velvetines is its very high price. Otherwise, it is perfect. Due to the creamy consistency, lipstick Velvetines does not dry lips and does not create discomfort. But it has high durability. The color palette is also pleasing, because in it you can find both gentle light shades and rich dark colors. Nouba. Lipsticks Milbaci from the Italian brand Nouba are characterized by high pigmentation and a very dense coating, for which they fell in love with beauties. This product fills all the bumps, thereby smoothing the lip contour. The result is flawless makeup with a lasting effect. Lipsticks with a varnish finish are gradually returning to fashion. And although they still have not succeeded in crowding out the matte ones, they have already taken the leading positions. Tarte. The Tarte's glossy line helps create flawless, everyday makeup. After all, it mainly includes nude shades. In addition, Tarte's glossy lipsticks, despite the varnish coating, have a light and absolutely non-sticky texture. Therefore, they are practically not felt on the lips. Catrice. In the budget segment, Catrice Pure Pigments is the best. It has high durability and high-quality coating, which does not create discomfort. As for pigmentation, in these products it is not too pronounced. But this is not a problem, so you can layered lipstick, thereby adjusting the color saturation. NYX. Lipsticks of this brand Machinist lacquer boast a light cream texture and a perfect lacquer finish. And their pigmentation causes delight at all. The only drawback of NYX varnish lipsticks is the need to use a primer before applying them. Otherwise, the effect of these funds on the lips will not last long. Satin lipsticks are characterized by a light shiny finish and their moisturizing properties. Due to this, they are suitable for girls with dry skin of the lips. Yves Saint Laurent. Rouge Pour Couture lipsticks are lightweight and have a soft shimmer. Such an effect is achieved not at all due to shimmer particles, and their presence in the composition of various oils that protect the lips from the harmful effects of the environment. Chanel. Rouge Coco Flash can be called multifunctional lipstick. It not only creates a dense highly pigmented coating on the lips. This tool is still perfectly caring for them, since it contains jojoba oil, mimosa and sunflower. The disadvantages of Chanel Rouge Coco Flash include low durability, since it does not hold on the lips for more than 2 to 3 hours. Haute Oil. Haute Oil Rouge de Cire lipstick has won over not only its low cost, but also its caring properties. It has a fairly dense greasy consistency, which can moisturize even very dry skin. Moreover, the quality of the coating does not suffer. The product lays evenly, giving lips an unobtrusive shine. Makeup Forever. Representatives of this French brand claim that their lipsticks Artist Rouge White are a real must-have. They have a light creamy consistency, which is absolutely not felt on the skin. And thanks to the waxes that make up, Artist Rouge White perfectly copes with dry lips, giving them a beautiful glow. Yves Saint Laurent. If you are looking for a long-lasting lipstick that will not dry your lips, we recommend that you pay attention to Tarte Couture Matte Liquid. This tool is not cheap, but it fully justifies all the money spent. Due to the dense velvet coating, which is not felt at all on the lips, lipstick perfectly masks all imperfections. The composition of this product is also impressive. It lacks aggressive components that often use low-cost cosmetic brands. In this regard, Tarte Couture Matte Liquid is suitable even for owners of very sensitive lip skin. Max Factor. Lipfinity Long Lasting is not just a persistent lipstick that can last longer than 8 hours on the lips, but also an excellent care product that moisturizes the lips and prevents their peeling. No less significant indicator is the high pigmentation and light consistency, which creates an even coating. Artdeco. Perfect matte lipstick is characterized by high durability, rich pigmentation and weightless cream coating. But this product also has its drawbacks. Although the manufacturer claims that the product does not dry lips, the negative reviews of many girls suggest the opposite. Therefore, when deciding to purchase a perfect matte, do not forget to buy a hygienic lipstick in reserve. Sephora Lipstick Cream Lip Stain is suitable for those girls who want to spend at least their time on makeup. Since, unlike other products from this segment, it quickly seizes, creating a dense velvet coating on the lips. Another advantage of this product is that it can be layered, thereby adjusting the color saturation. And thanks to the presence of caring ingredients, Lipfinity Long Lasting moisturizes lips perfectly. We hope that our rating of the best lipsticks is useful to you.
Все марки айфонов по оптовым ценам на AliExpress. Ссылка в описании.